Utilizing our newly networked copiers, users can scan, email, and save paper documents as PDFs. Users simply save the attachment with a new name to their home directories. Authorized users can swipe their print card or log in at the terminal. Place your document face up on the feeding tray, choose Scan or Fax, go to Scan Settings to choose two-sided if needed, select Email Me, and press the blue Start button. Go to your email and open the message you sent from the copier. Open the attachment. Now choose File, Save As, and give it an appropriate name and save it to your home directory. For Google Chrome and Apple users, click the attachment. In the bottom left corner, choose Keep. Click the down arrow and choose Open. In Preview, choose File, then Export. Give it a new name and save it to your home directory.